Welcome back guys to this new video of TechExpress. In this tutorial, let's talk about the trust element of your store, the trust pilot applications. So this widget, of course, into the Shopify product page is the easiest and most recommended way to do this with the official Trustpilot application, which the Shopify modern drag and drop editor. So to install the Trustpilot application, you want to log in directly into your store, and once you are in here, you want to navigate for the left section that says applications. Here, click into the Shopify App Store at the top. You might be seeing it might be appear in here, and if not, let's go for apps and sales channels and click into Shopify App Store. Once you are in here, in the search bar, you want to type here Trust Pilot. So look for the official Trust Pilot reviews, click into it, and look out for the option that says install. The application will prompt you to connect to the Trustpilot business account. So you just wanted to follow the on-screen instructions to log in and link your account. This step is essential for syncing all of your reviews. Now, the next thing to do is to use the theme customizer to add this, the widget into your store. So once the application is installed and your accounts are connected, as you might be seeing directly here from Trustpilot reviews, and go for connect, the next thing to do is to install your Trustpilot widget into your online store or the current theme that you are actually using. Now, it's going to be really important that you have access to your actual Trustpilot account. To have access to your Trustpilot account, what you need to do is to verify your Google Search console. You can do it with that. You can do it with meta tag. You can do it with an ENS. We can do it with file upload, or we can do it with a domain email, which is going to be much more faster. But this process might be taking a few elements in order to verify your domain. So if you don't have a verified domain, you're not going to be able to continue, and it just won't work. So on your current theme, if you hit into the option that says customize, I'm going to click into my store. I hit for my current theme, and inside my theme I go for customized. Then at the top of the editor, click into the drop down menu, select the product and choose your default product. For example, here, there we go. So to edit the template, you wanted to click into the left hand sidebar. You'll see a list of sections. Click into the theme add section, so you can add a new block. So for example, like this, add a new block, and it should be appearing now into the finding the widget into add a section applications. Look for the Trustpilot widget blocks provided by the application that it might be appearing in here. In my case, what I'm going to be doing here is to add one of the reviews widget of the Judge Stephanie applications, since this is totally for free and somehow yet I can't be able to add a verification Trustpilot yet, because I needed to have an actual domain, email, a Google Search Console, meta tag, and I'm currently not going to be able to do this at the moment. So I'm going to try to just go back. So when you're happy with the placement and design, click into the save button at the top right. If you visit one of the product pages, you should see the Trustpilot star rating badges and your review proudly displayed. As you might be seeing, my new section, I'm going to go for shop all, select one product, and I just go all my way down, and you should see that it might be appearing here, my customer reviews. Now, if for some reason the application drag and drop blocks are unavailable, you need more precise control. Here's how you can manually add the code. So if you log directly to Trustpilot and you go for share and promote website, you find the specific product review widget what you wanted to use, and you'll be able to customize, and that code snippet will be generated. Or what you can do is to add the code to your Shopify theme by going directly into your online store. Once you are here and to go to online store themes, and you click into these three dots and go for edit the code. In the code editor on the left, find the file that controls the product page template for modern Shopify themes, usually a section called main product liquid or theme liquid. So you wanted to code to paste the HTML snippet for the Trustpilot here. You also needed to place the script tag into the head of your theme. The easiest way to do this is to find the themed.liquid, click into it, and what you wanted to do, of course, is under the layout folder, just paste the code just before the closing of the head tag. So it might be appearing, for example, right in here on content for header, and just paste your code, and here for the option that says save. And make sure that you click into verify your domain. If it is enabled to verify your domain, you need to double check that they pasted into the HTML code for my site homepage, and then we can of course try this again. So basically, that's a comprehensive guide of adding the Trustpilot rating badge widget to the Shopify product page. Now, unfortunately, I am not able to add my trust because I don't have a domain yet to be added into my store, which is why if you focus into my settings and focus for the elements of your store, let's say for example domains, this should be displaying me an actual domain, but in my case I am not able to do this at the moment. But if you already have an actual domain, adding the Trustpilot business into your store should be easy peasy. So there you have it, a really easy tutorial how you can add the Trustpilot. Or if in this case, if in the case that it didn't work for you, as it did with me, what you can do is to try out with something else. For example, try it out with the Judge Tell Me application, which is totally for free, and you need to do a lot of steps basically. So hit the like button, share the video with fellow store owners. You make sure to subscribe to TechSpress for more essential e-commerce guide and powerful platform tutorials. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.